and today we will be discussing another Kodi build, and this one is pretty badass. It is called TitanFlixx, not to be confused with SchismFlixx, which now seems to be really buggy and doesn't work very well. Um, I had a comment the other day about the Schism build that it had, frozen up and whatnot, and I hadn't had any problems with it, but recently on my NVIDIA Shield, it didn't work. It froze up on me twice, just within a 5 minute span. So, yeah, SchismFlixx is out. It did work, at the time, and it worked really well, but, you know, that is over with. This one, very cool. So let's load it up and show you what it looks like. I like the intro screen there. Okay, so here's TitanFlixx. It kind of, resembles SchismFlixx a little bit. I like the layout. Very cool. So as you can see, what it is you can see it's Phoenix on this one particular. So what you would do, and obviously everything's kind of divided into different categories. So what you would do is you go over here to this menu, and you can actually change the feeds, and it basically does the same thing, just with the different feeds on it. So and then you can scroll through, and you can use a mouse on here. They do have, let's see, I mean, as you go down, obviously you can put different. Once you select it, I think you can just click here and then kind of back out, and then it puts it on the main screen as far as that goes there. Because I think by default it's on Phoenix, so you can kind of go through the different ones and look at them, and yeah, I mean, it's just very cool. And the other cool thing about that is, and like I said, for the most part, you're going to get the same add-ons, so I don't really have to talk about any of that stuff. Exodus, Phoenix, stuff like that. The other thing that's cool about this one is you can actually change it. So if you hit the eyeball here, they have basically a copy of Netflix. TitanFlixx is kind of based off of Windows 10 layout, as you can see, modded with the Netflix feel. This one is basically just Netflix. So what you do is you select Netflix and then you hit the refresh. Then that will reload it, and basically you have a clone of Netflix with all the different add-ons, of course. Um, like I said, this one very cool. I am definitely digging this one. I love, like I said, the Netflix layout is just, it just works. I mean, they kind of got it right, and that's when these builds kind of emulate that. It works. And this one's very cool. So now the most important thing is, how do you get this one? So if we go to add-ons, and it's going to be in the Ares Wizard. So we're going to load that up. Program add-on, Ares Wizard, open. And I will, of course, have the link to the Ares Wizard in the description as usual. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go all the way down here and run through this list, which is a big list. So let's see. I think I passed it. Why am I not seeing it here? Hmm. I did pass it. Where did it? What is going on here? There it is. Carl Hatton's builds. So all you gotta do is click here, and there's only two of them. This one, I, I don't know, but TitanFlixx, TitanFlixx. That's the one I got. So again, fresh start every time. Just helps, just make sure there's no bugs, whatever, and install. Easy enough. So, like I said, I'll put the name of the build in there because obviously it doesn't say it. Carl Hatton's builds. So, and the link will be in the description to the Ares repo. So that is it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up. And if you like what I produce, then subscribe. I will have more for you later. But yeah, this one definitely thumbs up on this one. Love this build. So thank you.